Welcome back to CCTV News. Now let's head over to the United States, where a major winter storm system has swept through the southern part of the country, sprawling tornadoes in several states and killing 3 people in weather-related accidents. The National Weather Service said that a tornado struck Mobile, Alabama at about 5 p.m. local time, bringing widespread power outages and some structural damage. In Oklahoma City, freezing drizzle overnight led to 10 separate collisions early on Tuesday, including a 21-vehicle pileup that killed a woman and injured many. The storm evolved into a blizzard from Arkansas to southern Illinois on Tuesday night, with snowfall up to a foot in some areas. Weather forecasters say the snowstorm will shift on Wednesday to the eastern Great Lakes and northeastern region.